V-Loc is a single-use tourniquet, featuring an adjustable button-locking mechanism to support safe and comfortable phlebotomy procedures whilst minimizing the risk of cross-infection. Before the procedure, remove V-Loc from the dispensing box. Unfasten the button and stretch several times to ensure optimum flexibility. Place V-Loc under the patient's arm and wrap the button end around it first. Pull the opposite end over until the desired tension is achieved and gently push the button through the hole to secure in place. To release V-Loc, gently place your finger under the base and lift the extended strap upwards to unfasten the button. V-Loc.